bottom's not basically doing the same thing as the top.
Done. Alright, cool. Now what?
We still gotta go that little bit
I know.
further. Let's see. Maybe turn this around so we can see what we're doing.
Ooh.
And let's see. I got some larger.
What? We'll use the old bearing.
Yeah, go ahead. Well, actually, that's gonna probably try to get stuck in there, but.
Oh. Crap. It was a good thought. Good thought. Doggone it.
We're striking out.
Yeah, we are.
I mean, do we want to just push on the?
No. Not necessarily.
Ride tomorrow?
Yeah. That's it. All right. Let's see.
You know, really not changing these on the side of the trail, I don't think.
So I wonder if we can get that other piece in there now.
I hope so.
Oh. Should be able to, right?
Open.
So.
Is it not going in there, Sean? God darn it.
Why? Why isn't it not? It did before.
Try the bearing separate than
Oh, because the bearing
was
not in there.
not cool, man. Not cool.
So this bearing's probably junk because we gotta take it out now, and I doubt it's gonna come out.
Did you try to put that inner bearing in there, Sean?
The inner does, but the bearing was left in, so this is the part that kept coming out, right?
Right.
And that would be fine.
Yep. But the bearing won't go?
But no. Just won't go. Alright, so the bearing might.
I think you might be able to get that in there. So, where does that black thing go?
That goes
On the outside?
like this.
And then that goes in there?
Maybe. Maybe. Screwdriver. Something like that. Just
So there's a little, there's a nice little stupid.
Well, we probably still get to that. Push down in there. Screw
Do you
it.
want me to pull it out, or?
No, let's.
Sure you don't want me to pull it out?
I mean, we might as well just try it. And we'll put it on the hub. If it's better than what we got, then, or what we had, we'll run it.
Alright, so we're confident this goes in next, right?
Yes. Which, yeah, it goes like that.
Okay, I don't think, man, Sean, I don't
know if the bearings is correctly in.
So I think it's your call. I think that we need to try to push it out a little bit, get that seal in there, and
Okay. I'll try that then.
let me grab something, clean my hands off. Watch your little fingers. Did you get her?
Got her. Let's make sure she spins. I guess she ain't gonna spin.
Why don't you
freely,
just give
is
her
it?
a tap right there, like that way, with maybe. There you go. Good job.
Should I try to spin them?
I don't think it needs to be.
Look at that. See, it went in more.
Did it?
Yeah. Like we know what we're doing.
Yeah. 3 hours later, we got a bearing put in.
In one shot. Only Only cost me $30 for an experiment. All right.
We think we got the setup though. I think we're good now. We're gonna try one more. We might.
Should that go in more?
Well, that side?
Yeah.
Look at the other one if you want to compare.
Yeah. How's that feel?
It doesn't spit.
She's locked up. So, all right, we got this. Let's put it on the hub.
All right. Now we're really gonna compare here.
Yep.
Just as loose as before.
Fucking A. Dang it. Seriously though, like maybe that's just
a Polaris thing.
no, this is the bad one. This is the one that wasn't even that bad.
Oh, well then swap it.
This one is a really bad one. I'm talking the bearing. Alright, well, we gotta do this one now.
All right. So
Fine.
we need like a third person to hold the camera. So
A lot of after the facts going on, but
right.
whatever.
All right. Well, we're gonna clean this one up just like we did last one. Get this bearing out of here, and we'll come back to you. Is it straight, Sean?
Nope. Still no.
Still no.
Still no. Getting her.
Here, let me see if I can. Bird's eye view here. Yeah, over there.
Does it look straight?
No, but you're hitting this right side at least. Let's get rid of this extension here. All right, here we'll go back. There. Now, ready?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You need more power. Where's the Milwaukee?
The Harbor Freight is running out of battery or what?
I think she's running out of ass.
What a joke. There we go. That's where I want it.
Ready?
Yeah. Stop. Alright, something. I don't like it. Alright, try that.
Last time we had a round thing underneath it.
Did we?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we need. Oh, that's better.
Did
There
you
we
forget?
go. Yeah.
More power. Hey, let me get that impact. Let me get that big impact, because
Well,
since this was the only bolt we had.
it was compromised from the begin with, anyways. So
was the socket compromised. Ugh.
well, it's halfway in. Now what?
I don't know. I don't think it's very straight. I think you got it crooked, like really
No,
crooked.
it was.
No, it's really crooked.
It was going in. It is really crooked now. I was working on it.
Yeah, it's probably because you started.
No,
Really
it was going. It was going like the other one. I had to work it back and forth.
You got a pair of pliers, we can get that out.
I'm gonna put it in hand tight. Can you hold it?
Not really.
Oh my gosh. What a joke! So if your buddy tells you can do these on the side of the frickin' trail, you take the heaviest, most blunt object you can and hit him upside the head with it.
Hopefully Johnny's watching us right now.
Cause where's it? This is $30. That's junk. So yeah.
Should be able to change it on the side of the trail, he says.
Man. Not a good day. Not a good day at all. It's not going good. Let me give you a little tip. Okay, when you're putting your brake pads on, let me give you a second here. You tell me. So then got some new pads. I just greased up my new wheel bearings. Went to go put the hub on. Ugh. Oh, can't do that. Some frickin' calipers on. Take that off now. And it was easier because with the suspension all the way down, I can't get to that bottom, so now I gotta use a frickin' wrench. Or just take this lower radius rod off, which honestly might be quicker, but that's just how this day's going. Good news is the oil change went super easy. What a day. So the razor's just sitting here pretty, I mean, it was looking a lot worse, but I think we came up with the conclusion. I am going to run the 32 Coyotes tomorrow. Barb's going to run the little 29 bald bighorns, and I want to see if this will ride better with the 32s versus the 29. So we'll see. All right, back to work. Now I know. Can't put the caliper on before the hub. Unbelievable. All right. Okay, so if you're changing your brake pads in a Turbo S or just a standard 1000, I would say from 2016 to at least 2019. That's 2019 Turbo S. This is an 18. Yeah, your calipers, you have a set pin and then just a standard. If you put it on, it's going to be probably a pain now because I already undid it. I already put it on. Alright, if I can do it with one hand, it must be true. So, you take your brake pad, you put it on the set, get some light, you put it on the set screw or whatever first, which Barber found this out. You swing it around, and then this one moves in, and that's the easiest I've ever done it. And this is the third set of brake pads I've put on this thing since I've owned it. So thought that was just a cool trick that he had finally taught me, so that was cool. And then yeah, so I want to say this is a lot better now with the wheel bearings. Maybe it's because the axle nut is actually tight and not finger loose because I removed it with my hands. So that's probably not good. And that's been like that since West Virginia. So that's cool. At least the hub isn't bad, but that's what we're doing. So the plan is we're still going right tomorrow. Hopefully. Hopefully these stinking shocks aren't a pain in the butt. Gotta blow out the clutch. Just make sure that's not that bad. Possibly just change the belt. That belt's got I don't know, say at least 500 miles on it. So I was getting a check engine light, and it was reading knock sensor, high voltage. There was two codes, and it says it was a knock sensor. I've never had that before, and then it would limit power. Actually, when I blew out tires in St. Helen last video, I didn't have full power whatsoever. The check engine light was on at the time. So, all right. No, I thought that brake pad thing was pretty cool. I've never been able to do it, especially with one hand. So apparently that works. So this bearing is greased up and ready to go, tightened, torqued to spec with that thing. So should be pretty good. The rest of these I like old school because that way I know I don't strip them. But hopefully you guys got a kick out of that little ordeal with the wheel bearings. What a pain in the butt. This whole day's been a pain in the butt. It's 10:18 right now, and I got over here. Oh, I couldn't tell you when I come over here. Say 6 o'clock. What a fiasco. Alright, see, this is what I mean. I just turned the camera off. Got all this stuff bolted in. And I can't get this in there now. Isn't that awesome? Now what's that mean? I don't know. Let's try taking this off. You guys are learning with me. Maybe this nut will give me some extra room that I need. I hope tomorrow is better than today. Because today isn't good so far. Alright. Let's see. Let's find out. And seriously. Unbelievable. Which I'm pretty sure I might be able to get to that. I hope I don't have to take the whole hub off. What a freaking joke. That does look pretty funny. Drop it. Let me see. So we just swapped all the tires, and I'm still hoping this thing will turn. I don't know, it needs to come down a lot though. It does look, it just kind of looks funny because they're so far in.
Yeah.
You know?
You know, maybe we need to rock it forward, back a little bit.
Yeah, for sure.
Neutral?
It's, yeah, it is now. Yep. Yeah, it just came down a lot. Yeah, don't do that. Turn the steering wheel. Oh, I'm golden as long as I don't like jump and turn at the same time.
Does it look good?
I mean, there's 1.5 inches.
So I wonder.
Should be all right.
Wonder if it is gonna be bad.
Turn the wheel to where. No, right there. That's where it's gonna hit. Rock it. It's good. I'd almost have to be bottomed out while turning, and that's not gonna happen. Other news.
That's not gonna happen.
The Turbo S looks really cute with 29 bald ass bighorns. Dude, tires are you're gonna be pulling wheelies because you got so much tire speed.
Yeah, probably not go 60 miles an hour though.
No. Thing's gonna rip, dude. Just gonna rip.
Rip.
The orange and blue just doesn't go together. There's just so much room in the back. I mean, if you blow your belt, it'd be plenty of
change.
Yeah. Oh shoot. Well, cool.
I mean, yeah, something to do, right? We're just gonna try it.
It almost looks like a trail rig because it's so narrow.
It does. Looks like a 50-inch or something.
Right.
But it's not.
Guess who's not gonna get muddy tomorrow, and guess who's gonna get even more muddier. So 72 inches
should we
plus.
measure this real quick? What we got there?
Yeah, why don't we do that? Because yours is gonna be outside of the tread.
Outside the tire or tread?
Tread. Well, I guess we'll go with the tire. Outside of the tire.
Outside the tire, we're
60.
rated 64.
64. Yeah. So that's back to stock. Yours.
Do the front or back?
Is it in neutral or park? Ah, it's in park. This guy gets scrubbed down a little bit. Good, good. All right.
You want the other end? Here, take the other end.
What? I can get it.
Well,
Just tell me what it is.
See on the camera.
No.
So the tires are turned right a little bit, but we're at 76 inches.
Makes sense because they're 2+2 rims. So there you go. Still not as wide as V-Dub's Can-Am.
No.
86 inches.
78.
Oh, I thought you said it was 86.
Did I? I think it was 78.
It's wider than the Impala. 77.
So the back's a little bit wider.
There we go. Now it's gonna be on rails.
Low and slow.
Whatever.
Bald tires. Here we
Them
go.
bald tires beat yours.
Oh boy, here we go.
I'm gonna have so much tread now and traction.
Don't even have my boots. Shit's getting deep.
Oh, what? It looks dumb.
It looks dumb.
It's so narrow.
So that's, I'd like to see a 32 on there with the offset rims.
Yeah, I think that would look good.
That would look good.
It'll happen.
But if it doesn't look good, then a 30 or a 31 for sure.
Well, I don't think they sell 31s, but
I think they do, don't they?
30 or 32. I've never seen a 31.
Richie had 31s.
Did he? The mud tires though. Them are truck tires.
Yeah, true.
He had 15s. Well, cool. All right. Mine got greased all the way around. And experience today was. So I'm gonna have to put the windshield back on if the wife's going tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully it don't rain.
It's not supposed to, is it?
Oh, that's right.
All right. Well, I'd say that's it for today. And we have a mess to clean up. Or just leave it for tomorrow.
Better leave it for tomorrow. Getting late.
Getting late. It is. Yeah, almost 11:30. All right, cool. Tell the people, George.
Hope you guys liked the video today. We plan on making a new video every week if we can. Hit that like button, subscribe, drop us a comment, let us know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.